Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn sheet music for piano. We'll begin by understanding the fundamental layout of the grand staff, which combines both the treble and bass clefs. You'll learn to identify individual notes on the lines and spaces, using helpful mnemonics. We'll also cover the basic note values such as whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes, which are crucial for understanding duration. This foundational knowledge is your first step toward unlocking the world of piano music. Next, we'll dive into the exciting world of rhythm and time signatures. Understanding how to count rhythms accurately is essential, and using a metronome will become your best friend for maintaining a consistent tempo. We'll explore common time signatures like 4/4 and 3/4, learning how they dictate the beat. Practicing different note durations and rests will build your rhythmic fluency, allowing you to play with precision and confidence. This step is vital for bringing the music to life. Now, let's add some feeling to your playing by exploring dynamics, articulation, and expression. Dynamic markings, such as forte for loud and piano for soft, tell you how loudly or softly to play. Articulation symbols like staccato for short and detached notes or legato for smooth and connected ones shape the sound. We'll also touch on tempo indications, like allegro for fast and adagio for slow, to guide your musical interpretation. These elements transform notes into expressive melodies. Finally, the most important step is consistent practice and application. Start with simple pieces, gradually increasing their complexity as your skills grow. Regular sight reading practice will significantly improve your ability to recognize notes and rhythms quickly. Most importantly, use a keyboard or piano to apply all your theoretical knowledge practically. Dedicate at least 20 to 30 minutes daily to practice, and you'll be playing your favorite tunes in no time. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.